If you're looking to learn how to record high quality content for social media, whether you're trying to build a personal brand or just grow your online business, you're going to want to make sure to watch this 3-part video series. In the first part of this series, I'm going to go over how to come up with ideas for content and the 3 key things that make a viral video. In part 2 of this video series, I'm going to go over some of the best tips when recording content, some tools that'll help you take your content quality to the next level, and I'm also going to walk you through actually recording and uploading a video onto TikTok and adding all the details. Now, in part 3 of this series, I'm going to walk you through how to take a video that you already recorded and posted on TikTok, download it without the watermark, and upload it onto other social media platforms. And I'm also going to go over some tips that'll help you become more confident on camera. So I got a lot to cover, so let me just get right into it. So if you're looking to record content to grow your online business, you should already know or have an idea of what your brand or your company is all about. So if you have a personal brand, let's say for example, your personal brand is all about video games, then you should have an idea of what type of content to post. Now, when you have a personal brand, you can actually create content that isn't solely based on one topic. Since having a personal brand means that you are your brand, you can actually post content that is also related to your other interests and hobbies, give people an inside look of what it is that you do on a day-to-day basis. But you want to stay focused mainly on one topic. Now, a great way for coming up with ideas for content is doing market research. And this is where you take a look at what other creators in your niche are posting, whether you're posting on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other social platform. The whole purpose of doing market research is to look at what other people in your niche are posting that's getting them engagement and seeing what type of content is working. Now, some of the things to pay attention to are they using trending sounds? What are they doing in their videos? Are they teaching their audience something? Are they even talking in their videos? Another great tip is to see what type of comments people are leaving on their most popular videos. If somebody is leaving a comment asking a question and you know the answer to that question, that's a good idea to make a video answering that question if it's related to your niche. Now, I'm not saying to copy exactly what your competition is doing in their content, but use it as inspiration and put your own spin on it. So let's say, for example, you post content about video games and you're posting content about Call of Duty, which is a pretty popular video game. Think about how you can get creative instead of posting the same content as everyone else. Getting creative can really help you stand out from your competition. If you look at some of the most popular YouTube creators like Mr. Beast or Mr. Who's the Boss, they don't just take a content idea and make a video on it. They take that idea and they put a spin on it. So let's say you're a video game streamer and you're playing Call of Duty. You can post a video called Playing Modern Warfare only using the MX9. Or let's say, for example, you post beauty and makeup tutorial videos. You can make a video called Trying the Best Rated Makeup from Wish.com. Or let's say, for example, you post DIY project videos. You can create a video called How to Save Hundreds by Building Your Own Water Filter Systems. Now, if you have a company and not a personal brand, I would recommend that you create content that demonstrates how your product or your service solves a problem that your potential customer is dealing with. Now, let's say, for example, you have a painting company and you paint houses and commercial property. You can demonstrate how your services compares to your competition. But you can also demonstrate how having a good paint job that'll last for years can really increase the property value of someone's home. Or how customers will become the envy of their neighbors because they have the best looking house on the block. Now, one more thing that I wanted to cover is that if you're creating content for social media, I would recommend to switch up your content. So what I mean by this is posting a video that's using a trending sound. When you use trending sounds in your content, that helps your video get pushed out to more people's For You page, so your likelihood of being discovered by a newer audience is increased. And also mixing up your content by adding value or educating your audience. People love to learn new things, and if you can educate your audience, this increases your chances of getting people to follow you. And you want to post content where you're telling your story, regardless if you have a personal brand or a company. Now, what I wanted to go over is the 3 key things that make a viral video. So the first part is having a hook right in the beginning of your video. Now, a lot of people, they have a short attention span, so they're just constantly scrolling on social media. So what you want to do is have a hook right in the beginning of your video to capture their attention or build curiosity. The second part of your video should be the body. So whatever your hook is promising them, the body of your video should be delivering on that promise. And thirdly, you should have a call to action in your video. This is usually placed in the end, but you can also put a call to action in the middle or the beginning of your video. And a call to action is simply telling people what you want them to do next. You can either tell them to like your video, comment, follow you, subscribe, or give them any other call to action. So let me give you an example of how you would put these three things together. So here's how you can get Amazon to pay you. Step 1, go to Amazon.com and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Then you're going to click on a button that says sign up to become an affiliate. Once you do that, then you're going to fill out an application and sign up as an affiliate for Amazon. Once you're approved, you can start promoting products as an affiliate. Anybody that you refer that buys that product from Amazon's website, Amazon will pay you a commission. Now, if you want to learn more ways to earn online, make sure to follow me. So in that example, I used a hook, a body, and a call to action. So that's it for this video. Make sure to watch part 2 of this series where I'm going to go over some tools to help you create content like a pro. And I'm also going to demonstrate how to record a video and actually upload it. So let me know if you got value from this video by giving it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more tips on how to grow your personal brand or online business, make sure to subscribe to my channel.